In the U.S., for example, in a typical year, we detect with this system about 25 million cloudy ground flashes. As we see the data coming in from the ground strike network and also from things like LDAR, we just really have to wonder how in the world these things are happening.
Across the globe, lightning detection technology is tracking every single lightning strike to ground. Patterns are beginning to emerge. With lightning's behavior under such close scrutiny, experts have stumbled upon an unnerving and potentially frightening realization. Lightning activity may be increasing.